In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Amazon from Alibaba. First, let's start with visiting Alibaba's website. Alibaba is the world's largest online B2B marketplace, bustling with manufacturers, suppliers, exporters, and importers. As we step into this vast marketplace, we begin a journey that opens doors to countless product possibilities, allowing you to choose what fits your business needs best. Once you're on Alibaba's homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find your profile. Clicking here will bring up various options tailored to streamline your navigation. Among these options, click on My Alibaba, a personalized hub that helps you manage all your dealings and communications with ease. Familiarizing yourself with this area is key, as it will be central to managing your business operations on the platform. Next, within the My Alibaba section, locate and click on Dropshipping. This is where your Alibaba and Amazon selling journey truly begins. The dropshipping section is designed to simplify the process of selling products without needing physical stock. This means you can focus on sales and marketing while suppliers handle inventory and shipping. Now that you're in the dropshipping section, it's time to explore and broaden your inventory. Click on Find Products, which acts as a gateway to Alibaba's extensive product offerings. Here, you can sift through a multitude of categories, filter products based on your criteria, and examine what speaks to your business goals. After perusing the myriad options, pinpoint a product that's a perfect match for your Amazon store. This step is where your market research and business acumen come into play. Consider aspects like market demand, competitor pricing, and your margin potential when choosing the right product to sell. Once you've zeroed in on your desired product, take the next step by clicking on Start Dropshipping. This crucial action sets the wheels in motion, initiating the dropshipping process with your chosen supplier. You'll be establishing an agreement where the supplier will fulfill orders directly to your customers. Now comes the exciting part, importing your selected product to Amazon. Utilizing this feature allows seamless integration, ensuring your product listings are accurate, appealing, and ready to generate sales. Make sure to optimize your Amazon listings by incorporating high-quality images and compelling descriptions that highlight the product's features and benefits. And there you have it. You've just navigated through the essential steps to begin selling on Amazon straight from Alibaba. By leveraging Alibaba's marketplace and Amazon's massive customer base, you're positioned to create a thriving e-commerce business with minimized overhead costs. Keep refining your approach and remember that continued learning and adaptation are key to long-term success in the world of online selling.